Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply create a wallet on Mycelium. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Mycelium app on your phone. Right afterward, you have two options: new wallet and restore from backup. Tap on new wallet and simply shake your iPhone as it has asked for you to create a code. You can see to avoid losing your friends, so you have to make a backup of your wallet. Now you can choose to backup now or backup later. I'm going to do backup now. For that, you simply have to get the master seed of your wallet. The seed allows anyone knowing it to spend all funds from your wallet. You will see a list of words one by one. Write them down and store in a safe place. If you want to start, go ahead. I'm going to cancel for now and backup later. I'm going to tap on backup later again and close, and now there we go. That only it takes. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.